Hi, in this video we're having a look at how to use your sticky and tricky cards. So in your kit, when you open it, you will find this set of blue and orange tricky and sticky cards and Dublin landmark cards. So in another video we have a look at how to use these cards, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can use the sticky and tricky cards. So your first job is to pop out the cards so that you have the two sets of the sticky and the tricky cards. So there are different ways that we can use it, but one thing we can do is with the table stick, we can put the sticky card next to the stick and the tricky card either below it or above it, so we can see the facts that we still need to work on and practice using those strategies, and those facts that have become sticky. By sticky, we mean that we can say them quickly, but also we can explain how we know that we're correct. For example, if we take 6 times 8, we can say really quickly that you know that 6 times 8 is 48, and you know it's 48 because you know that 5 times 8 is 40, and so 8 more and 1 more lot of 8 is 48, or you know that 3 times 8 is 24 and 24 doubled is 48. So it's being able to explain how you know as well as knowing the fact really quickly. So when we have those two bits together, we know that the facts are sticky. So we can also use the cards in our box to sort the facts, those that we find in sticky and those that are still a little bit tricky that we need to carry on working. So the two sections in the box we can use to sort the cards into those that are sticky and those that we still need to work on practicing those strategies until they become really, really sticky, and then we can move them into the sticky section. So please have a look at the other individual times table videos for a little bit more help on each individual times table, and I will see you soon in another video. Happy times table learning!